What's that, dear? I can't hear you. Now, I just got here and I have no idea which two these are. I'm trying to read her collar, but she's following me. Tinsel? Tinsel and Frost? That's, neither one of those are names I was expecting, so I'm baffled. But they sure are adorable. We still got Bartholomew, Simba, Papa. Let's see, Missy's with the Queenie Foundation, Patrick with the Queenie Foundation, M with the Queenie Foundation. I don't know if you can even hear me. Little man. I know you. Bartholomew. And Scatters. No idea who that is. Aww. Look at your little face. Who are you?
She's so cute. I know, she's so scared. I'm trying to clean her feet.
These itty bitty ones. Hi there. Hi there.
I get behind you.
Oh, sorry.
Say cheese, Casey.
Oh, I love your little bows. Who is that?
Says Casey. Poor Casey.
Oh, Casey? I love the little bows. Hello there. Hi there. I love the way they all come up to say hello. Oh, you're going to jump right out, aren't you? You're going to jump right out.
Sugar.
Another sugar.
Oh, she's cute.
Aww.
I love that one there with the half pug face. That black one.
I like that one. The picture looks like you see, has a puppy face on the side of it. Well, it looks better. It was easier to see in the picture.